EPS steel wire mesh sandwich panel equipment. The EPS steel wire mesh sandwich panel is composed of EPS panel with thickness of 40 to 100 mm in the middle and steel wire mesh sheet. On both sides, steel wire diameter is 2 mm, with the characteristics of lightweight, heat insulation, earthquake resistance, waterproof, low price and easy construction. It is widely used in all kinds of construction projects. The EPS steel wire mesh sandwich panel equipment is composed of steel wire straightening and cutting machine, mesh welding machine, EPS panel and diagonal inserting wire welding and forming machine, steel wire straightening and cutting machine. Straighten and cut the cold drawn galvanized steel wire into a length of 1.2 meters, which is used for welding steel wire mesh. It can straighten 18 meters long steel wire in 1 minute. Steel wire mesh welding machine. It is controlled by PLC to realize automation. The equipment needs one operator. The equipment is equipped with a straightening system to straighten the transverse steel wire, welded with 0.2 meters steel wire into mesh, and automatically cut the mesh of the required length. The cutted mesh falls on the material rack for automatic stacking. It can weld 200 square meters steel wire mesh in an hour. Diagonal inserting wire EPS panel welding and forming machine. It is controlled by PLC to realize automation. The equipment needs 2 operators. Put the steel wire mesh and EPS panel into the track manually. The gear system moves the steel wire mesh and EPS panel together. The straightening wheel automatically straightens the diagonal wire, penetrates into the EPS panel and automatically cuts it to the set length. The welding tongs weld the inserted diagonal inserting wire with the mesh. and produce the finished EPS steel wire mesh sandwich panel. It can produce 800 to 1000 square meters in 8 hours. Straightening diagonal inserting wire. Insert diagonal wire into EPS panel. Welding wire with welding tongs. Move mesh and EPS panel. Output the finished panel.